What's up, guys? We got the brand new AKASO, however you pronounce that. This is the Hero 7 LE action camera. Let's see how well this will do. I'm gonna switch over to it right now. Okay, guys, this is the quality from the AKASO Hero 7 LE action camera. We are going to be replacing the forks on the Amiet S8. We got some upgraded air shocks for the front of this. These have 7 inches of travel in between the shock forks. So, and you could adjust the air pressure inside and the dampening and rebound settings. Let's see how well you could hear me on the new action camera. Let me know what you guys think.